Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Typeform with Zapier for app data capture step by step clearly. To start, open your web browser and go to the Typeform website. Log into your Typeform account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Create Typeform button. Choose a template or start from scratch by selecting Start from Scratch. Design your form by adding the necessary fields for data capture, such as name, email, and any other relevant information. Make sure to customize the appearance and settings of your form to fit your needs. After completing the design, click on the Share tab to find the URL of your Typeform. Now, open a new tab and go to the Zapier website. Log into your Zapier account, or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, click on the Make a Zap button to start creating a new Zap. In the Zap setup, search for Typeform as your trigger app. Select the new entry trigger and click Continue. Connect your Typeform account by following the prompts to authorize Zapier. Once connected, select the Typeform you created earlier from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Test your trigger to ensure it's set up. If the test is successful, click Continue to move on to setting up the action. In the next step, search for the app where you want to send the data, such as Google Sheets or Slack. Select the appropriate action, like Create Spreadsheet Row for Google Sheets, and click Continue. Connect your chosen app account to Zapier. Once connected, customize the action by mapping the Typeform fields to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. After mapping the fields, click Continue and test the action to ensure it works correctly. If the test is successful, you will receive a confirmation that the setup is complete. Finally, name your Zap and toggle the switch to turn it on. Your Typeform is now successfully integrated with Zapier for app data capture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.